Welcome to Storytime with Herbal Roots zine. I'm Christine Brown, and today I'm going to read you the story from issue number 25, Tremendous Turmeric. Now, turmeric, you might have recognized the name, but you might not have ever seen what an actual turmeric root looks like. But when you see it, you'll notice that it looks very much like ginger. It's because they are very closely related. Now, turmeric is often used in a drink called golden milk, in which powdered turmeric and milk are mixed together and warmed and drank. And it's a great drink that helps to calm our nervous system and ease our stress. And it's also an anti-inflammatory, which means it helps with inflammation in our body. Things that get inflamed and red and sore and painful. That can manifest in our digestive system. It can be in our joints. It can be all over our body. So turmeric is really good for helping with that. So that's just a few things that turmeric can be used for. So turmeric comes from India, and India has used turmeric for thousands of years for medicine and for food, and also for making a beautiful, vibrant yellow dye. And so this story today talks a little bit about some of the ways turmeric was used and how it was discovered to be used for medicine. So today's story is called From Beauty Comes Health. Back in the times of long ago, the people of India used plants to dye their fabrics with. Indigo gave them a brilliant blue, cinnamon gave them a red, and turmeric gave them a vivid sunny yellow. The people of this time also used turmeric as a body paint. The Hindu people would mix turmeric powder with lime to paint the patu on their forehead at the location of the third eye. The rulers of India created an exfoliating body polish by making a paste out of turmeric powder, ground nuts, rice, powdered sandalwood, and other scented woods to paint on their body. They would leave it to dry and then gently rub it off. To finish the removal of the paste, they would take a hot shower followed by a second treatment of yogurt wiped all over their body. Finally, they would relax in a warm bath filled with scented flowers. In addition to using turmeric for dyeing, painting, and beauty treatments, the people also created magnificent curries with a combination of spices, which included turmeric. They very much loved their golden sunshine roots, and some even wore a bit of the root as a pendant for good luck, especially during weddings. As you can see, turmeric was a very well-loved spice. One use they had not for it, though, was medicine. They gave no thought to turmeric of having any medicinal value whatsoever. One day, one of the older rulers, Kalpesh, was agonizing over the pain in his arms and legs and his hands, how they ached. His attendant, Sahila, suggested he have a treatment using the exfoliating body polish to help take his mind off the pain. Kalpesh thought it sounded like a grand idea, so he lay down on the mat while the other attendants brought in the paste and applied it to his body. After the attendants finished and left him to rest until the paste dried, Kalpesh lay there and noticed that the pain in his hands and the aches in his knees began to subside. He called out to Sahila to remove the paste immediately. Fearful that she had done something wrong, she called in the other attendants and they quickly removed the paste. Now, demanded Kalpesh, I want you to bring in all the ingredients you put in the mix and make a separate paste of each one. Once you have done that, apply each paste to a different area of my body. The attendants thought Kalpesh had lost his mind, but fearful of discipline, they did as he was asked. Once they were finished, he asked all but Sahila to leave. After a half an hour had passed, he noticed the aches in his right hand had completely gone away. "Sahila," he asked, "what is on my hand here?" "Turmeric, my king," she replied. "Then from now on, any time I complain of pain, I want a paste of turmeric made and smeared on my body." "Yes, my king," she replied, relieved that he had found relief from his pain. She hurried out the room to share the news with the other attendants, who passed the message on to healers, and from then on, turmeric was used to treat arthritis and inflammation. I hope you enjoyed today's story. If you'd like to learn more about turmeric, you can download my ebook. It's in my shop on my website, and I'll put the link in the description below. And if you'd like to have an entire year of learning about herbs, I have a couple of courses that will teach you all about the medicinal uses of 13 different herbs. One is called New to Herbs, and the second is called The Next Step. And both these take you on a journey of herbal learning throughout a year. Thanks for visiting Herbal Roots zine for Storytime, and I'll see you next time.